Hello everyone, I am Nausin Araban. Welcome back once again to my YouTube channel Educational Support. So friends, please like, share, subscribe and press bell icon to get next video. Today I like to talk about Biology MCQs questions and answers for medical entrance exam. Be with me till the end. So let's get started. Number 1 question is respiration occurs and the options are only in non-green cells in light, only in non-green cells both in light and dark, in all living cells both in light and dark, in all living cells only in light. And the answer is in all living cells both in light and dark. So, because respiration occurs when glucose combines with oxygen to produce usable cellular energy. And this cellular energy is used to fuel growth and all of the normal cellular functions. Carbon dioxide and water are formed as byproducts of respiration. So, respiration occurs in all living cells including leaves and roots. Since respiration does not require light energy, it can be conducted at night or during the daytime. Next question is pacemaker of the heart is, and the options are SA node, AV node, AV septum, IA septum. And the answer is SA node. Do you know what is pacemaker? Pacemaker is a small battery operated device that helps the heartbeat in a regular rhythm. And the sinoatrial node or SA node is the heart's natural pacemaker. It's a small mass of specialized cells in the top of the right atrium. So, how does SA node work? SA node produces electrical impulses that cause your heart to beat. So, the answer is SA node. Next question is, if blood cells are eliminated from the blood, the liquid left is, and the options are serum, plasma, lymph and synovial fluid. And the answer is plasma. Do you know what is plasma? The blood is composed of a yellow transparent fluid known as the plasma. It is the liquid part of the blood that carries cells and proteins throughout the body. It makes up about 55% of the body's total blood volume. So the answer is plasma. Next question is, which one of the following plant can fix nitrogen from air? And the options are pea, wheat, rice and maize. And the answer is pea. Do you know why does nitrogen is important for plants? Nitrogen important for plants because without insufficient nitrogen, plants will be unable to grow. But how does plants fix nitrogen? Nitrogen fixing plants don't pull nitrogen from the air on their own. They actually need help from a bacteria called rhizobium. And this rhizobium bacteria infects to help it draw nitrogen from the air. This bacteria converts the nitrogen gas and then stores it in the roots of the plant. So the answer is P. Next question is, the membrane enclosing the brain and spinal cord are known as, and the options are meninges, meningitis, nephron and axon. And the answer is meninges. So what is meninges? The meninges refers to the membranous covering of the brain and spinal cord. So what is the function of meninges? Meninges provide a supportive framework for the cerebral and cranial vasculature and acting with cerebrospinal fluid, and to protect the CNS from mechanical damages. So the answer is meninges. Next question is, soil is composed of, and the options are mineral plus water plus air, mineral plus organic matter plus air, mineral plus organic matter plus air plus water, and last is organic matter plus water. So the answer is number C, mineral plus organic matter plus air plus water. Because you know that soil is the outer layer which covers the surface of earth. So soil consists of 4 major parts, that are inorganic mineral matter, about 40 to 45% of the soil volume, organic matter, about 5% of the soil volume, water about 25% of the soil volume, and air about 25% of the soil volume. So the answer is option C, mineral plus organic matter plus air plus water. Next question is, net gain of ATP molecules per hexose during aerobic respiration is, and the options are 12, 18, 30 and 36, and the answer is 36, because aerobic respiration requires oxygen in order to create an ATP. Although carbohydrates, fats and proteins are consumed as reactants, and it is the preferable method of pyruvate breakdown in glycolysis and requires that pyruvate enter the mitochondria in order to be fully oxidized by Krebs cycle. So the answer is 36. Next question is, the largest gland of the body is, and the options are heart, liver, spleen and pancreas, and the answer is liver, because you know that liver is the largest gland in the human body. It is situated on the right side of the abdomen. So the answer is liver. Next question is, teeth are chiefly made of, and the options are enamel, dentine, pulp and odontoblast, and the answer is dentine, because dentine is a tissues of the body, and along with enamel, cementum and pulp is one of the 4 major components of teeth. So what is the function of dentine? The main function of dentine is to provide support to the enamel and responsible for the transmitting impulses from the enamel to the dentine pulp. This is the 3D figure of teeth. Next question is, what are parthenocarpic fruits? And the options are fruits enclosed in pods such as pea, fruits formed without fertilization, very hard fruits, and the last is fruits with more than one seed at their center. And the answer is fruits formed without fertilization. Because you know that parthenocarpy is the natural or artificially induced production of fruits without fertilization of ovules, which makes the fruit seedless. This is the picture of parthenocarpy. That's the end of my presentation. I hope you enjoyed it thoroughly. Thank you for your support. In my next video, I will going to discuss more biology MCQ questions and answers for medical entrance exam. So please like, comment, subscribe and press bell icon to get next video.